Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Borrego projector. First, connect the power cord and your preferred video source, such as an HDMI cable. Next, place the projector between 1 and 4 meters from your viewing surface to achieve an optimal image size, which can range from 40 to 130 inches. Finally, adjust the focus manually and utilize the automatic keystone correction for a perfectly aligned picture. Connecting your devices to the Borrego projector is straightforward. For the best visual and audio quality, use an HDMI cable to link your laptop or gaming console. You can also insert a USB drive directly into the projector to play movies or view photos. For wireless convenience, connect via Wi-Fi for screen mirroring from your smartphone or tablet, or use Bluetooth 5.0 to pair external speakers. Navigating your Borrego projector settings is simple with the included remote control. Access the main menu to fine-tune your viewing experience. You can adjust picture settings such as brightness, which can be up to 7,500 lumens, and contrast ratio, often 1,500 to 1. Also, customize the sound output from the 3-watt built-in speaker and select your preferred aspect ratio, like 16:9 or 4:3. To ensure your Borrego projector provides years of enjoyment, follow these simple care tips. Gently clean the lens with a soft, dry cloth to maintain image clarity. Always ensure adequate ventilation around the device to prevent overheating, as the lamp life is typically 50,000 hours. Finally, power down the projector properly after each use. Avoid unplugging it directly to protect internal components and extend its overall lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.